to do the lotus pose. Exercise 1. Butterfly pose. Try to go down as far as possible. Do it on your bed for comfort. Exercise 2. Lift your leg up. Put it right on your chest and rock it back and forth. This stretches your hamstring. Make sure to do it on both sides. Exercise 3. Go on your knees and try to lift your knee upwards. This stretches your ankles. Make sure you do it on both sides. Do this for 1 to 2 weeks and you will see result. Like and share if this worked for you, and if you can do it without hands, that's even better.